Everyone, today we are going to discuss about role of youth in bringing about social changes. The role of youth in bringing about social changes is crucial and multifaceted. Young people have the potential to drive positive transformation in society through the various. It means first one is the activism and advocacy. Youth often lead to social movement advocating for issues such as climate change, human rights, gender equality, and racial justice. They use social media, protest, and campaign to raise awareness and push for policy changes. Next is the innovation. Young minds bring fresh perspective and innovative solution to society problems. They harass technology and the creative thinking to address challenges in education, healthcare, poverty, and more. Volunteerism and community engagement. Youth contribute to their communities through the volunteer work and community service project. Volunteerism and community engagement. Youth contribute to their communities through the volunteer work and community service project. Their efforts can uplift marginalized groups, improve local infrastructure, and create a sense of unity. Next is the education and awareness. Youth can educate their peers and community about important issue, helping to dispel misconception and promote understanding. They often organize workshop, seminar, and awareness campaign. Next is the political engagement. Engaging in the political process, youth can influence policy decision and bring attention to the matter that affect their generation. Voting, running for office, or participating in youth council are examples. Entrepreneurship. Young entrepreneurs create startups that address society needs while also generating economic opportunity. These volunteers can lead to job creation, economic growth, and the innovative product or services. Next is the cultural and artistic expression. Youth contribute to social change through the art, music, literature, and other form of creative expression. Their work can challenge norms, provoke thought, and inspire action. Next one is the networking and collaboration. Youth often collaborate across borders and culture, leveraging their interconnectedness to address global challenges. Online platform enable them to connect and coordinate efforts. Next is the environmental stewardship. Young people play a vital role in advocating for the sustainable practice and environment conversation. Their activism can help combat climate change and protect natural resources. Next is the role models and inspiration. Youth who achieve success despite adversity can serve as a role model, inspiring others to overcome obstacles and pursue positive changes. To maximize their impact, youth need supportive environment that encourage their participation, access to education and resources, and platform for their voice to be heard. When empowered, they can contribute significantly to shaping a more just, equitable, and sustainable world. Next is the youth led movement. Throughout history, youth led movements have catalyzed significant social change. Example include civil rights movement in the United States led by young activists like John Lewis and Diane Nash, as well as the global climate strikes initiated by a young environmental activist Greta Thunberg. Next is the technology and social media. Youth leverage technology and social media platform to amplify their voice and mobilize support. Hashtag online petition and viral challenges enable them to spread awareness and garner public attention for the various causes. Next is the inclusive decision making. Involving youth in a decision making process at the local, national, and international level leads to more inclusive policy. Youth Council and Advisory Board ensure that at the local, national, and international level leads to more inclusive policy. Youth Council and Advisory Board ensure that your perspective are considered in a matter that affect them directly. Next is the social entrepreneurship. Many young entrepreneurs create socially conscious businesses that address specific social issue. Example include company that provide clean water solution, affordable education tool, and sustainable energy alternative. Next is the global youth network. Organizations like United Nations Youth Assembly and various youth-led NGOs foster collaboration across the border. This network enable knowledge sharing, idea exchange, and coordinating efforts to tackle global changes. Next is the art and expression. Youth express their ideas and concern through art, music, dance, other creative forms. Artists' work often serve as a powerful tool for the advocacy, provoking emotion and inspiring action. Next is a community empowerment. Youth-driven community projects such as urban gardens, neighborhood cleanups. Next is a community empowerment. Youth-driven community projects such as urban gardens, neighborhood cleanups, and mentorship program contribute to the well-being and development of local communities. Next is the intergenerational generational learning. Youth bring a new perspective to conversation with the older generation, challenging outdated belief and sparking intergenerational dialogues that lead to positive changes. Next is the educational reform. Young activities advocate for educational reform to make quality education more accessible. They combine for improve curricula, teacher training, and equitable access to education for marginalizing communities. Next is a health initiative. Youth-led initiative address health issues such as a mental health awareness, sexual and reproductive health education, and combating substance abuse. Next is a peace building and conflict resolution. Youth engage in efforts to promote the peace and resolve conflict through the dialogue, tolerance, and cultural exchange program. Next is a challenging stereotype. Youth challenge stereotype and discriminatory attitude, promoting acceptance and equality. That's all about the topic. Thank you.